I'm back with another DIY worksheet for kids from 3 to 4 years that regarding the patterns. Pattern is something that happens or appears in a regular or repeated way. So the kids have to understand the repetition in this pattern, like one triangle upper and one down triangle, one upper triangle and down, up and down, one square, two squares and two circles, like that. Again the repetition is two squares here, triangles, circle, triangle, square, triangle, circle, square, again triangle. After that what will come? The circle will come. Let's do it for some. For example, triangle, up, down. So now what will come? Up. So next one is down. So two squares, two circles. What will come after this? Two squares. And then again two circles. Triangle, circle, square, triangle, circle, square. So this repetition the kids has to first understand and then repeat it. So their visualization of things will improve with this activity. For example, another thing is copy the pattern. I have a 3 by 3 dots, so they have to do the copy work. I am doing just a sample one here. 3 lines like this and then this. Let the kids practice with the pencil only, so that if they miss something we can erase easily. So this will help them very much. Another worksheet with patterns related is match the pattern. So I have different patterns here. Ignore the background noises. So different patterns here. A square, triangle, square, with square, triangle, square. So the kid has to match it. This all 3 triangles. Where is all 3 triangles? This, and triangle, square, circle, triangle, circle. With this the kids can learn the shapes as well. Star, circle, star. This circle, this. So standing lines, sleeping lines, slants and some pattern. So they have to, I'm doing it fastly, but you can explain it clearly to the kid and understand what is, let them understand what is pattern. Sorry. So here another thing with the patterns is replicate. I have for this square box, rectangle box, and I need to copy, like for in the first box there is a dot, second no, and third is there, and fourth it is there. In the second line first is empty and this, and third is empty, this, and this third line like this. So they have to observe carefully and fill accordingly. So I am doing this for you, 3 by 3. For example, first one is circle, second box is empty, and triangle, and a triangle and circle, third is empty, and the square, second is empty, and a circle, sorry, a triangle. So like that we can easily give this. I have given four types of worksheets. First one is complete the pattern, second one is match the pattern, copy the pattern and replicate the pattern. You can use any number of things, shapes, box, something like that, flowers and all, and use their play items like toys as well. With the colorful blocks you can arrange the pattern and make them to replicate, so let them practice it. Thank you. I hope this is helpful. Thank you so much. Subscribe the channel for more videos.